Welcome to Meg's Motorcycle Journey, where we explore the world on two wheels. This channel will follow me on my journey to become a better rider and explore my love of all things motorcycles. Guys, I'm really excited. Just got a package delivered. We're gonna open it up. I want to shout out a big giant thanks to a subscriber that sent me all this really cool Harley Davidson stuff. His name is Carlo Monaco of the Staten Island Harley Davidson, and he so kindly sent us a bunch of really cool stuff that I plan to put in the trailer. But while it's cold for right now, it's in my office. So I have talked a lot about how I wanted to upgrade the exhaust from the stock on my bike to something more. And initially in some of my videos I talked about doing Vance & Hines. I was considering the short shots or the grenades. But before I could do that, Krome Werks reached out to me and generously offered to have me review some of their slip-on mufflers. So I'm really excited. I decided to give that a try. I thought that, we'll see how these go, and if later I want to change it up, I'm certainly able to do that, but I'm excited to do something new, and I thought this is something I could install myself. So I'm going to open it up and see. Pretty excited. I kind of felt like the box was going to be bigger, but it is kind of heavy. Yeah. So these say that they are the 3.5 shredder mufflers for M8 Softail Black for a 2018 plus Fat Boy Street Bob, Slim, Lowrider, or a Breakout. For those of you who found it funny that I said my Edward Ritchie sissy bar came in a box, these came in a box. So I am told by Krome Werks that installation of these is fairly easy. So just a couple of screws. I'm going to give it a shot. Hopefully I improve on my installation skills from the sissy bar video, but they look pretty awesome. So huge thank you to Krome Werks, and I'm really excited to try it out, and you guys will come along and watch me try to install it. Okay. So this is the first time that you guys have seen me ride with my new handlebars. As you can tell, they are in a little bit more of a comfortable position. My arms are slightly bent, and before they weren't. I still am leaning forward a little bit, so I'm considering either putting in a pullback riser or seeing if I can get bars that are just a little bit longer, because I think I would like them 2 or 3 inches closer to me than they are, but there is a huge improvement. I think I can see the most improvement in slow maneuvers. I'm just able to steer much better. I am on my way in this video, cameraman and I, to our friend John's to install my slip-ons from Krome Werks. You guys saw John in 2 earlier videos, and we thought that it would be kind of fun to go to our different friends' houses and do some installs in their garages. So I wanted an opportunity before I went to Daytona to try out my new bars and see how they felt, because I had just gotten my bike out of the shop. I'm actually in Daytona right now, today, Thursday, and we'll have the opportunity to ride with my new bars the next several days while I'm here in Florida. I am looking forward to meeting a lot of you. Initially, I was only going to do a meet and greet on Saturday, but now the weather is not looking like it's going to be fantastic, so I will be there for a little while on Saturday, probably like noon to maybe 2 o'clock, and then I will be there for longer on Sunday because Sunday looks like the better day, so I'm going to try to be there from like 11 o'clock to 3 or 4 o'clock on Sunday. So I will post the address of exactly where I will be in the details of this video, and I hope to see you guys there. I will have some cool merchandise with me, t-shirts. I have a few calendars left, not very many, and a couple of prints, but I'm looking forward to seeing all of you. Hi guys, so the long-awaited installation of my slip-ons is here. Krome Werks was kind enough to contact me and ask if I would be willing to try out a set of their slip-on mufflers. And so I said that I would be really excited to do that. So I asked them specifically if I could have a black pair, because I want to stick with the black theme, the blacked out theme for my bike, and they were kind enough to send me a black pair. They are made 100% in the United States. They have a lifetime warranty, and they have the OE finish. I'll put some more details in the description. So I'm sure you guys will be entertained watching me attempt to install these. So they are available if you like them and want to try them yourself from your local Drag Specialties dealer. And I'll try to link some local ones below. So I did show you guys in my office, you know, what the package looked like that they came in. I know you guys laughed that I said they came in a box. But wanted to give you guys a look at them before I actually put them on the bike. So there you go. I forgot to mention that today we are actually in my friend John's garage. You guys saw John in the Santa video and the New Year's Eve video, and a lot of you admired his bike, which is super awesome. He's done a lot of customizations to it. So I'm gonna link some of the products that he's used, because he did his handlebars and his seat and a bunch of other things. So I will link some of that in the description to this video. So I've been told that this installation is fairly easy, that there's just like 2 screws that need to come out here, and then this needs to come out here in order to slip these stock ones off and install the new ones. So I'm gonna give it a go. Hopefully I can do better using tools this time than I did last time. I go left that way.
Take your time. A little tight?
A little bit.
It's okay.
This was me attempting to unscrew 2 screws for each pipe. There's 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and it's a really tight space to get in. I ended up being able to get them eventually, but I did cut out some of the footage because it took me a while just to be able to get in there. They were in pretty tight, but eventually I got it. I didn't even get that in there with my finger, probably. Okay, now, hopefully this attempt is better than the attempt on my sissy bar. We'll see. Hold on. Try to stick it in here, right? Hold on, I don't want to go in there. Is that right? I want to go in there. Has a little button. Do I have to push that in there? This button? Just goes in there.
Just push it in.
There we go. Yeah. All right. Cool. That's the right way, right?
Mm-hmm.
As you can tell, this was not scripted because I don't know what I'm doing, as was the case in my sissy bar install video, but I am struggling my way through it, and each time that I do a new project, I learn a little bit of something new. So I appreciate your guys being patient with me. All right, what do I do now?
We got to get the bottom one off, and then
This
we got
right here?
and then we got to crack those 2 over there.
How am I going to reach that? Well, let me do this thing.
Yeah,
down
go
here.
ahead. Just get the first one off.
Well, let me do this thing down here.
I forgot.
Are you taking this? This right
Yep,
here?
go ahead.
Okay. That, right? Put all that stuff over there. All right, now just these last 2 things. I'm done.
Really hard my way.
Yeah?
It's coming. I can feel it turn. It's just really long, right?
That's what she said.
It is coming off. It's just taking a second.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, look at that. This whole thing just goes back in there, right? Came off the top. Okay.
All right, now you jiggle it and pull.
This thing? From where? Where am I pulling?
So it's coming straight back.
Like this way?
Yeah, so if you grab it
Right here?
kind of like the way you are, yeah, and then just start pulling it back, it should slide right off a little bit of. I'll hold it. There you go. You're doing exactly what needs to happen.
Okay.
That's it.
That's
It's
it.
coming, I can
Yeah,
feel it.
it's coming.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Should be.
All right, let's check the clamp.
Wait.
No, it's good. You're clear on.
Okay. Oh, I can see it.
Nice. Good job.
All right. So we got one off. What do we get?
That's impressive. This is
All right. Now, is this one gonna come the same way the other one came? Yeah. So just pull it and jiggle like that.
around the bolt ball. And you just gotta start sliding. Jiggle in. This is cool. She's working on this.
Oh wait, that was why, because it has to spin away from this, right?
There you go.
There we go.
Is it coming?
Yeah, it is. I can see it.
You got it.
Are those women even?
Ew.
All right. I guess that was right, huh?
Good job.
Okay. So there. Apparently, as y'all know, I know nothing about tools or anything else, but apparently these are going to sound better because you can see through them and you can't see through those. So hopefully I'm excited to see the difference and hear the difference. And I'll let you guys hear the difference after we get them. All right. All right, so we put the clamp from my old pipes on the new pipes. Now we're gonna try to slide them in. I might need some help. We'll see how it goes. Oh look, John has Loctite.
I'll
where-
open it for you.
Where do I put it? Do I put it on the bolts? I don't even know.
What I can say is,
Alright, that's probably fine, right?
Yep.
I think I should do both of these before I do this bottom one. Do you think?
I probably wouldn't. I would probably get the other one on in case you need some play.
I should do these two screws or this bottom one.
I do the bottom. Do the bottom.
Just
Okay.
put one in there.
So it was this and this washer. And this washer. And this thing is not my specialty. It's moving a lot lately. Wait. Ready, Teddy. Go to the right. Because last time I screwed it the wrong way, right?
Yeah.
I mean, when I was doing the sissy bar, didn't I try to left or I forget which way I screwed it. I was supposed to screw it the other way.
Mm-hmm.
How do I know if it's tight enough? Is that tight enough?
I would go hand tight, and then we can come back and touch them all
it's
up.
tighter than that.
Okay, then just let her go for right now.
I'm gonna have to cut out me saying bad words. Usually I try not to say bad words. Because it's annoying to put the beeps in. Alright, so that one, I think, do I come back and do this or just leave this where it is for now, do you think?
What's the question?
Do I try to make this tighter or just leave this where it is for now? I don't know which way. Hold on. This one's opposite, right? So, because it goes in, because it screw that way, right?
Yep. So.
But wait, I haven't put
I
this
know.
in.
Just want to make sure, right? So yep, just like that. So pull her on out, and then you want to make sure that the bolt
This
side is
side
facing
is out.
outwards. Yep.
It doesn't want to go white. We actually found out after getting the slip-ons on that I needed to have a different gasket than was on the stock pipes. So we ended up taking them off temporarily. Yeah, that should be good, right?
Yep.
I'm not going to be able to do it with the screwdriver, right?
Yes. barely.
Isn't sunk knot. It's definitely easier to do than
What's up? Look at me.
oh, damn. Depending on me saying swear words. So we're all finished. We got the slip-ons on. Krome Werks logo right here, and we're going to take a minute and turn it on. Now we are in a garage, but I'm going to open the door so that you guys can hear what it sounds like. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the installation of my slip-ons, or at least were very entertained by how little I know about tools. At any rate, I look forward to meeting some of you guys this week in Daytona, and stay tuned for some videos on my trip to Daytona. I plan to actually do a little boat camping episode, so tune in for that. Thanks, guys. Ride safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.